The relentless march of technology spurs visual innovation, with Midjourney's new AI upscaler being the latest giant leap. Whether you're an artist honing your craft or someone who treasures photographic memories, image resolution matters. Midjourney is revolutionizing upscaling with an AI solution that magnifies without sacrificing quality. Upscaling is the process of increasing an image's size and resolution. But it's not just simple stretching, it's meticulously enhancing details through complex computations best handled by GPUs. Midjourney's approach stays loyal to the original essence while coaxing out hidden intricacies. The launch includes both 2x and 4x upscalers. Each can amplify image dimensions and pixels without descending into blurriness. The interface is straightforward. Simply select the upscale button on new or past creations. However, be mindful of GPU requirements, which understandably increase with the 4x upscaler. Occasional glitches can rarely occur, especially with 4x upscaling resulting in black or corrupted images. Additionally, an originally blurry photo will remain so after upscaling since the technology enhances but doesn't recreate. Yet these caveats pale compared to the benefits. Behind the scenes, advanced neural networks break images into patches like puzzle pieces. The algorithms analyze each section, predicting patterns based on training data. Finally, the upscaled pieces reunite into a supersized masterpiece. This process demands immense computations best suited for GPUs. As Midjourney's tech continues evolving, so will our visual expectations and experiences. Their upscaler doesn't just magnify size, it amplifies creative potential. This launch affirms that Midjourney's commitment to quality has and always will be perfectly clear. Here's a more in-depth explanation of upscaling from a computational perspective. At its core, upscaling is an interpolation problem, estimating unknown data points based on surrounding known values. Let's take a 6x6 low-resolution image and upscale it to 12 by 12. So the original 6x6 pixel values are known. But what are those extra pixels in the 12 by 12 version? That's what upscaling aims to estimate. A simple approach is bilinear interpolation. It looks at the 4 closest pixels in the original image and calculates the intermediate pixel by averaging. However, this produces blurry results. A more advanced techniques like bicubic interpolation fit a curve rather than just averaging. This locally adapts based on gradients, preserving some detail, but it may still look artificial. And the edge-directed interpolation improves on this by detecting edges and smoothing along those edges, rather than just smoothing everywhere. This maintains sharp transitions. Another point is that, in machine learning supervised methods, neural networks are trained on high-res, low-res image pairs to learn an upscaling function. At inference, these networks can then generate plausible high-resolution versions from new low-resolution inputs. Another option, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, can also be used. The generator network upscales the image, while the discriminator network tries to differentiate between real versus upscaled images. This adversarial dynamic results in more photorealistic outputs. And let's not forget the state-of-the-art approaches like Razor leverage rapid filtering algorithms. Razor runs comparisons across multiple upscaling techniques and chooses the best fit on a per-patch basis across the image. So, upscaling uses interpolation but balances it with edge preservation, machine learning, and adaptive techniques for sharpening detail. The computations aim to fill in information that best matches the context rather than just averaging blurrily. Thank you for watching this short video about Midjourney AI's new upscaler. Please subscribe, share, and comment so we can create more videos like this.